that we're standing here only because you made a way. You move mountains, you call